back with you today. So I'm here to draw the winner for our monthly giveaway. Now if you're not familiar with our giveaways, basically we pick a video from the previous month and all the comments on that video go into the draw to win whatever the prize is. And today our prize is a $50 gift voucher to purchase whatever you would like from our store. And the video that I have chosen for this month is the altered mini envelopes. So we had 31 comments on that video, so let's go ahead and pick our winner. So our winner for the $50 gift voucher is Cynthia May Lynn 2743. So congratulations. We'll find our email address in the description box below. So if you could please just send us an email and we will organise to get your $50 voucher to you. And to everyone, don't worry if you didn't win this time. There's always another chance next month. Thank you so much for continuing to support our channel by liking and commenting on the videos. It really does help. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.